Hello, my viewers out there. Welcome once again to Lorenzo Technology. Today we are going to look at SUMIF function. Now, SUMIF function allows you to sum values in a given range, provided the corresponding cells in another range satisfy a chosen criteria. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of this SUMIF? Now, the purpose is to add the values in the range that meets a specific condition. Now, this is the syntax of it. SUMIF, the range, you now provide the criteria, and you now provide the sum range. Now, range means that the range of cells to check against the criteria, and the criteria is the condition to check. Example can be the number text or the cell reference. Then the sum range is the range of the cells if different from the range. Example, we have a sample here. SUMIF colon B2 to B5, and this is the criteria we are looking for the join, and this is what the sum range, which is column C2 to C5. Sum the value in what C2 to C5. This is a Microsoft Excel. We have the column for name, we have the one for class, subject, and the score. Okay, so what we are looking for now, we want to sum only the students that are in JS1. Now, this is the what the criteria. This is the JS1. Remember that SUMIF have to do with only one criteria. So we now go to our formula bar. You go to insert function. From insert function, you look for what you can type. We are looking for SUMIF. Enter, and you now choose your SUMIF. Now it will bring out this dialog box. Now look at, we have the range, we have the criteria, and we have the sum range. So what is the range that we are looking for? We are looking for JS1. Which range are they? They are in this column, which is, you now select the range. It's from B2 to B11. That's the range. And what is the criteria? What are we looking for? We are looking for only JS1. So you move to where you have criteria, and you select JS1, and you go to sum range. Is which column do you want to add? Do you want to sum all of them? You want to sum their score. So we now go to the sum the score column, and then you highlight, that is the sum range, and then you click OK. Now, after clicking OK, it will now give you the answer for only JS1. So at this point, if you look at the formula bar, you see this is the SUMIF. So that is our range, and this is our criteria, which is what? E2. E2 is a column for JS1, which is our criteria. JS1, the total number of their score, people that are in JS1. So which is what? D2 to D11, and you click OK. Now at this moment, you can still stand here and change to JS3. It will automatically calculate for you. Since you are looking for the criteria, you can still, when we have SS1 there, you can change this one to SSS1, and you press your enter key. It will calculate for you. So that is the function of the SUMIF, that has to do with only one criteria. Like, comment, share, and follow for the update. Thanks, and remain blessed.